In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Zoho Mail. If you want to keep your inbox organized and make it easier to find important messages later, creating folders is a simple and effective way to do that. Zoho Mail allows you to group emails by project, client, category, or any system that works best for you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to enter so you can create a folder quickly and confidently. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account. Make sure you are logged in and on the main mail screen, where you can see your inbox and the folder panel. If your screen looks slightly different, that's okay. The general layout is usually very similar, and the folder options are typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're inside your account, look for the plus icon in the Folders section. This icon is used to add a new folder. Go ahead and click it. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan the folder area carefully, because it is usually placed near your existing folders or beside the folders heading. After you click the plus icon, a small setup window or input field should appear. This is where you'll enter the details for your new folder. Start by typing the folder name. Choose a name that clearly describes the kind of emails you plan to store there. For example, you might use a name related to work, personal messages, receipts, or a specific topic. Picking a clear and simple name will help you stay organized over time. Next, select where you want the folder to be placed. Zoho Mail may let you choose a parent location, which means you can place the new folder under another folder if you want to create a nested structure. This can be useful if you like to organize your mail into main categories and subcategories. If you don't need that, you can simply choose the standard folder location available. Once you've entered the folder name and selected the place where the folder should appear, click Save. After that, your new folder should be created and added to your folder list. That's all it takes. Creating folders in Zoho Mail is quick, and it can make a big difference in keeping your mailbox clean and manageable. If you plan to organize a lot of messages, it's a good idea to create folders with clear names from the beginning so your system stays easy to use.